For any reason you do not have access to toothpaste at home or elsewhere, or if you like to use a natural simple toothpaste free of any chemicals and additives, this video is for you. The effect of this toothpaste on the health and hygiene of your mouth and teeth is not less, if not more than existing toothpaste. To prepare this toothpaste, mix 5 units of honey with 2 units of salt or 3 units of honey with a unit of salt and brush your teeth with it. The mixture of honey and salt creates an interesting combination in which salt plays an antiseptic role and honey plays a restorative role. Salt kills the bacteria that cause tooth decay and kills infections of the gums and teeth. At the same time, honey strengthens the gums and repairs them. Even if you have healthy teeth and want to prevent their decay, use this toothpaste once or twice a week. In addition, this combination is also a natural teeth whitener. The use of this combination is highly recommended for those whose mouth smells bad due to the infection of the teeth and gums, because as I said, it has both a cleansing role and a restorative role. As I emphasized, even if you use the best and most expensive toothpaste in the market, use this combination once or twice a week and see the results. At least you are sure that this combination doesn't bring any chemicals used in dishwashing and hand washing liquids into your mouth and doesn't eliminate the useful bacteria and microorganisms in your mouth. This applies to materials that produce more foam. Therefore, by using it, the environment of your mouth will not be ready for the growth of all kinds of harmful bacteria. By using this natural homemade toothpaste, you will not suffer from gum infection and decay, and your gums will be healthy, pink, and strong. For any reason, such as smoking, your teeth are not strong in the gums and they are loose, use this combination to treat it. At the end, if you want to know what foods are more compatible with the nature and the human body and produce more healthy blood in the body, watch this video.